Today I'll show you how to debadge your car in about 30 seconds per badge. Easiest way that I've found. So first, you're going to take your Goo Gone. You can use the spray one that says Goo Gone Auto Gel, or you can just get the regular Goo Gone. The gel is the same thing, just thicker. And I just take it, dump some on, and you do this with your car in the sun, because the heat in the Goo Gone helps it come off. So then you want to take your finger, pry up each edge a bit. What I do is I just take a zip tie, the small zip tie, and this is why earlier you wanted to pry it up, because you just take the zip tie through and saw it. Some people use fishing line, I use a zip tie. And then I just saw it right off. And I just take my nail and I just scrape that off. And then I put some Goo Gone on a rag, or I use my nail. The rest comes right off. And that's all there is to it. You can also use a credit card on there, anything like that. The zip tie will not scratch your paint. No more too. And this sticky stuff will just come off with your fingernail and Goo Gone, like I said, or just a microfiber and scrub it real fast. Or if you have an old pad from Orbital Waxer, put a little bit of Goo Gone on it and it'll take it right off. Now we'll just do the 8 for fun, even though I think we've already demonstrated how to do this. All done. About 30 seconds a letter or less. Now just a shop towel with some Goo Gone on it. Sorry if I'm squinting at you, it's so sunny out here. There we go. Zip tie and Goo Gone. Yeah, if you use a heat gun, you might not even need the Goo Gone. But I didn't even use the heat gun. I wanted this to be as budget friendly as possible. I do own one though. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe for future videos. Hope to see you next video.